Hey guys, so I know it's been forever since I last did a video. If I happen to look to the right, it's because I'm looking through like my side camera thingy, side view. I just got a new camera. So before, when I was making videos, I was recording on my iPad. So I'm using my new camera to make this video. But anywho, I just wanted to come to you guys and show you guys some hair that I bought. The name of the vendor is called Beauty Forever, and the vendor that I ordered from is from Aliexpress. I didn't order from the regular website, but it came in a box like this. Now the specs of the hair, I'm looking at my phone. So I bought 3 bundles of Brazilian straight hair with a closure. The length that I did get was 18, 20, and a 22 and a 16-inch closure, and everything came up to $148.53. And I had a $9 off coupon, so that brings everything to $139.54. Now, I have bought this here on February 26th. That had to be like a Sunday, either a Sunday or Monday. I ordered it here, and I got it on a Friday. So I would have to say shipping was very fast. I did order the hair before from this company. I ordered a closure from this company, and I will do a review on the closure in my next video. But let's just jump right into the hair. So when you open the box, it looks like this. These are the 3 bundles. The closure, and a free gift, some lashes. This inch is the 18-inch. So it has like a rubber band on it. Take that off. This is how the hair looks. For it to be straight, it got like a little wave. I don't know, maybe because it was in the box. The bundles is like pretty big, so you can see that. Pretty big. It don't have no smell. No smell at all. Some people say when they order from AliExpress, they hair smell like corn chips or it smell processed. No, this hair doesn't have that type of smell to it. And I'm running my hands through it, and no shedding. So far, I actually like this hair. It feels really, 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 really soft. So that's the 18. This is a 20-inch. I like the fact that, I'll wait for my camera to focus. I like the fact that it has the label so you can see the inches. So, okay, my camera focus. So I was like, that's pretty cool. And this is the 20-inch. That's how the bundles look, and it's really long. So far, so good. I'm running my hands through the hair, and I'm not getting, my camera is not focusing. I think I need to take it off autofocus and just put manual focus. But I'm running through my hands through this bundle, and I'm not getting any shedding, which is good. The 22-inch. Right here. Wait for my camera to focus. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put this camera in manual. This is 22-inch. Now, when I ordered this hair, I actually thought I ordered a 14-inch closure, 16, 18, and a 20. But when I actually got the package, it was the opposite. But it's okay. And I'm running my hands through this bundle. As you can see, it got like a little S shape. I don't know, maybe because it was in a box for so long. Running my hand through this, and still no shedding. And for this to be the 22-inch, the bundles is actually pretty thick. And as far as beards, some people complain about the beards, but it don't matter. You only have a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's only a little bit of beards in there. And let me show you guys the closure. The closure is 16 inches. And it looks like this. It's really long. The lace, it is not bleach. And this is a free part closure. So I could actually part it wherever I want. So, ladies, I got 3 bundles in the closure for only $139, which is actually good. So I will be making a wig out of this, and once I make a wig, I will come back to you ladies and show you guys.